Hi guys, good morning. It's me, Ed. Today is Sunday and I'm still in bed, but I woke up really early, like around 7:47. It's almost like 8:30 right now. Yep. Tumulala lang ako ng 30 minutes. And tomorrow is my flight to Taiwan. I really have a lot of things to do today. I haven't unpacked yet since yesterday. Sobrang dami. I need to unpack from yesterday and I need to pack for Taiwan tomorrow. And I have to do my nails as well because I removed it yesterday, my white nails. So I need to do my nails then. That will take me 2 hours. Yep, our flight is at 10 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, guys, I'm going to Taiwan. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Hopefully, wala akong nakalimutan. And I'm gonna prepare documents later. But first, I'm gonna do my breakfast. Kasi it will be a very long day. Hello guys. So I just did my nails. This is the outcome. It's so pretty. Medyo natagalan ako dyan. Never mind the mess, guys. It's normal. So nice. I'm ready for Taiwan. Hi guys. Good evening. Oh, it's good morning pala kasi it's 1 a.m. na of July 21. So later around 10 p.m. is our flight to Taiwan. I'm really excited kasi I'm traveling with my friends and actually late na, dapat natutulog na ako by now. But to be honest, ngayon pa lang ako magpapack and magpaprint ng mga requirements because I did my nails, as you can see. I am so excited. Naglagay na ako ng socks by the way kasi wala akong tsinelas eh. Hindi ko rin kung bakit. Wala akong slippers pang bahay. Dapat meron. Actually meron, kaso kasi ginamit ng boyfriend ko sa labas. So, we're going to print some documents, travel documents, travel requirements, and then we're gonna sleep. I'm gonna pack light lang. Ipapack ko lang puro mga sando, to be honest. Kasi, ayoko na masyadong madaming dala. Ang hassle kasi eh. Anyway, so, we are going to print and, saan kaya? Have you guys watched na yung season, why is it like that? I saw you. 2 copies. Ano ba to number? Hey guys, so I'm currently printing some documents for my travel requirements for our girls trip. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'll bring you guys with me. This is my little space where where magic happens. That's my bed, hindi ko pa siya naayos. Anyway, sobrang arte ng Apple, guys. Tingnan mo. Wala na masaksakan. I'll see you guys later. I'll update you. This is my nails. Bye, guys. We ran out of paper, but we're gonna fill this in and continue printing. Hi, guys. Time check. It's almost 2 a.m. And inisip ko kung magpagising ko na lang ako mag-empake pero hindi ako makakatulog for sure. So, mag-empake na lang ako ngayon. Tapos na ako mag-print and then magpapack na ako ng mga dadalhin. And hopefully, wala tayong makalimutan. Which dapat yesterday pa ako nag-pack. Pero kasi kulang yung time. But anyway. So, yeah. Hopefully, wala tayong nakalimutan. I'm so excited. Currently packing my things for our girls trip. And I'm almost done. Lalagay ko na lang siya sa maleta. And then, medyo madami, pero good thing may mga travel bags akong binili para mas organized. I really, really love this bag because it's really spacious and of course, a memorable experience to, kaya favorite ko siya. Bigay ito sa ng boyfriend ko. This is my favorite bag ever since high school. The usual things that I bring with me every time need to travel ako. Travel requirements, like that. Travel requirement, check. Dito na siya lahat. Nakaprint na. And then, pero madali lang siyang hilahin pag kailangan. And then, of course, other stuffs. For example, makeup. Tutulad nito. Dadalhin ko to with me, hand carry. Mga makeup siya. Wala akong speaker ngayon, so iba yung audio kasi nag-charge siya. And hindi ako nakapag-video kanina while packing yung mga pauna kasi nag-charge naman yung camera ko. Anyway, so this is my mga makeup. So, mga retouch. Pang retouch. Then, of course, perfume. Hindi natin pwede kalimutan yung perfume. Ito din. Actually, yun lang. And then, chargers pala. And chargers and clips. In case kailangan ko ng extra clip, extra pamuyod. Kasi mabilis wala sa akin yung mga pamuyod. And then, of course, nandito sa pocket, yung mga susi ng bahay, bubble gum, mga mga pagkain. And then, of course, okay na tayo dito sa second bag. And then, of course, nilabhan ko kasi to guys, yung bag na to. Yung washing machine ko siya, yung automatic washing machine. Hindi ko lang kung pwede yun. Medyo na-crumple lang siya for me. Tsaka may mga white siya. One powder. Okay. Still looks good. Else, okay. We're done with this bag. So, I'm bringing one maleta and this backpack. And then, of course, one sling bag. I love this sling bag. It's Kipling. Bigay sa akin ng mom ko. It's really, I really love this bag. For this bag, it's very, very important for me. Kasi, wait lang, ayusin ko. Magulo pa siya. Anong taas ang brightness? Ilalagay ko dito is passport, IDs. Kasi, pag sa backpack siya ilalagay. Ang hirap eh, tatanggalin ko rin naman ito. Tapos, huling ko. Pagka nakasling bag ka kasi, hindi mo na kailangan. Okay. So, of course, fit bar. From my brother. Hi, brother. Kinuha ko nga po sa nalagyan mo. Kumupit ako mga dalawa. Tinahin ko na isa kahapon. Thanks! And some hand cream. Diba? Oh my gosh. You need to focus. Hand cream. Mabilis kasi mag-dry yung hands ko. And then some pampunas sa lagay. Of course, may inhaler. Meron ako hika. So, I need this. And then, St. Benedict kitchen. Every time I travel, I have this with me for protection. And, of course, passport. And then, one charger for my camera and then my mic. Just in case mawalan ng battery. Then, some judge. Ito ko na lang pala siya lalagay. And of course, the wallets. Where's my wallet? I'm gonna bring this wallet. Coach wallet. Oh my gosh, guys. Inaantok na ako. Tuloy ko na lang bukas. I forgot. Yung earrings ni Lola nandito pa. Hindi ko nabigay sa kanya. I'm so tired. Ay, mas maganda pala yung gantong angle. And then, of course, pinadalhan tayo ni mother ng mga gamot. Paracetamol, ano to? Antihistamine. And then, yung pagtatae, pinadalhan din niya ako. Pero, as of the moment, I'm almost done packing my things for our Taiwan trip. And I'm really excited. Hopefully, wala tayong nalimutan. Pinagdadasal ko talaga siya na paulit-ulit. Sana wala akong makalimutan. And then, tapos na rin ako mag-transfer ng photos and files sa external drive para marami tayong cake. And then, of course, what else? Condition yung katawan. As of the moment, hindi condition yung katawan ko. Dapat natulog tayo ng maaga guys eh. Pero of course, hindi tayo makakatulog ng maaga kasi hindi pa tayo nakakapag-pack. Bye guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I'm done packing my stuff for my Taiwan trip. I'll just pack light. Though, ilipat ko pa yung iba niyan sa bag ng friend ko. Ay, sa maleta ng friend ko. Kasi naka-check-in baggage kami. And then, I'll head to the airport na in 2 hours. Sobrang ganda ng travel bag. Bili kayo, guys. Anyway, yun lang. Bye. I'm so excited. It's gloomy, by the way. The weather today. Hi guys, good morning. It's me, Ed. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so ano oras na? It's already 3 p.m. and paalis na ako. Nakapag-alis din ako. And we're going to the airport. So I'm so excited kasi this will be a girls trip. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch, so baka doon na lang ako mag-lunch. And what else? Hopefully wala talaga ako nalimutan manifesting. Finally, natuloy na din yung plan namin kasi hindi talaga matuloy-tuloy yung plano namin. It's either busy yung isa or may lakad yung isa. Kaya natuloy na ngayon. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. By the way, I'm putting on some cute rings from my sister. Hiniram ko siya. I like my nails. It's so nice. Nude nails. Akong gumawa yan, guys, by the way. Anyway, yeah, I'm using this earrings, of course, from my sister as well. Pag-book ng Grab. Oh my gosh, I love these earrings. It's so cute. Yung outfit ko, chill lang. Wait, shit. Kung makita yun. I love the earrings. It's so nice. I'll see you guys later. So excited. I got this shirt from, I don't know, pero nalimutan ko na eh. Parang surplus. I love my sweatshirt. It's so cute. It's so comfy. Anyway, I'm just wearing some sweatshirt and some sweatpants and then some rubber shoes. And I have t-shirt inside kasi medyo mainit eh. So, just in case. Anyway, I have it all prepared. The mics, everything. Para nakaset up na siya. I'm so excited. Sana hindi maulan sa Taiwan. Pero, chinek namin, maaraw siya. Like 32 degrees. Sobrang init. Anyway, tanggalin ko muna to kasi medyo uncomfy siya for me. Medyo mataba kasi siya eh, na marami akong dala. Let me show you. Ito yung mga dala ko, guys. Medyo madami. Oops. Kita niya ba? Yan yung dala ko, guys. Ayan, yung 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan lang yung dala ko. Medyo mabigat. And grab lang ako. Ako lahat magbubuhat yan. So, I have to remove the other ring. Anyway, and I like my nails talaga. Ang ganda niya. Share ko lang. By the way, guys, this is my outfit. Wait lang. So comfy. And then ano na lang ako sa paa. Medyas. Yung cute socks. Nasaan ba yan? Galing KKB. This one. Matchy-matchy kami ng partner ko eh. So, pero gagamitin ko na siya ngayon. Supposedly sa Davao po to next week. Pero gagamitin ko na siya ngayon kasi yung dalawang medyas ko nasa maleta na tatamad akong buksan. Anyway, bye guys! Bye! I'll see you guys at the airport. Bye! This one's from KKV, by the way. It's so cute. This is my look for today. I just did simple makeup, pimple, eyeshadow, and some foundation. Konti lang. I love my nails. I'm so happy. Malapit na naman yung pasukan. So, deserve natin to. Yan lang. Bye. Hoping wala akong naiwan talaga. Bye, guys. And pagbalik ko naman galing Taiwan, marami naman akong aayusin. May mga paparating akong package. Ayusin ko yung condo. Then, mag-enroll na rin ako. And then, kailangan ko na rin mag-aral. Actually, mag-aaral ako sa Taiwan eh. Dala ko ng readings doon. Kasi for sure, by next week, may assignment na yung professors para sa amin. And I have to go to Davao by next week. In less than 2 weeks. With my partner. And yeah, I have a lot of things to do actually. Magpo-photoshoot pa kami. Ang dami. Sobra. So, good luck to me. Parang di nga ako nakapagpahinga. Pero, masaya naman ako sa ginagawa ko. So, parang pahinga na din yan. Ayun lang, nalulungkot ako kasi hindi ko na naayos yung toenails ko. Supposedly, dapat parehas na nito. Pero, yung cutex lang niya ngayon is yung pinamborakay ko. So, I'm so sad. Pero it's okay. Nakashoes naman kami. But anyway, I have to go, guys. Bye! I hope you guys like this vlog. And hopefully, makapag-vlog ako ng study vlog in Taiwan. Yep! Bye, guys! Bye! Okay, let's go! Yeah, I'm waiting for the grab. Hi guys, I'm already here in the airport. I'm just waiting for my friends. And yeah, I'm so hungry. I'm thinking of eating lunch here. Pero malapit na sila eh, so I'm just gonna wait. Probably dinner na lang kami. Oh my gosh, hindi ako naglan. Bilis ng biyahe ko, hindi ko in-expect kasi umulan, napaaga ako. 10 p.m. pa yung flight, 4:35 p.m. pa lang. And, well, better early than late. Ayan, malapit na daw sila. Thankfully. Kasi we have to transfer things pa dun sa maleta ng friend ko. And it's, oh my gosh, hopefully wala talaga ako nalimutan guys. Wait, I'll check my passport. Baka hindi ko siya dala. Oh my gosh, kaya nandito siya. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let me put this here. Okay. We need that vanilla hand cream. I'm gonna remove the rings for applying this hand cream. Finally, may mic na din ako kasi sobrang hina ng boses ko, guys. If napanood niyo yung mga last vlogs ko. As in, sobrang hina. Buti na lang meron akong mic. And DJI mic is the best mic I've ever tried. As of the moment. I'm okay. I'm waiting for them. I'm so hungry. Literal. Hopefully kumain na kami pagdating nila. Lipstick. I need lipstick. Oh, shucks. Ang gulo nung... Every time na may bag akong sling bag, sobrang gulo niya. Oh my gosh. So chaotic in here. I'm so excited. This is my first international flight. And I'm really, really excited. Bye guys. I'll save my battery for later. Bye! Hello guys. So, we're waiting for our one friend. Wala ko nakikita ng Joby. Anyway.
Ayun, parang nakita ko na yung Blondie. Nasaan yung Blondie? Siya na, mag-picture na.
Here you go. Hello. Naulan saan? Hello, hello. Hi guys. So, I'm currently waiting for my order. I ordered sa Kenny Rogers. Sobrang daming tao. Charging here sa outlet behind the wall. Waiting sa table yung mga friends ko. Dito lang muna ako kasi sobrang lobat na ako. And I'll update you guys later. Sobrang init, grabe. Tanggal ako ng jacket. Buti na lang may t-shirt ako sa labas. Ayun, nakakuha na sila ng upuan. Finally. Ay, oh my gosh. Naubos na yung social battery ko. So, I'll update you guys later sa arrival namin. Pag naka-arrive na kami sa Taiwan. And I'm so hungry. I haven't had my lunch yet. So, this is lunch slash dinner na. And good luck na lang sa akin. Probably, sana hindi ako pagsakto ng tiyan. And I will buy some drinks, coffee or milk tea later. For sure. Taiwan. Or dito na lang. Maalat. Or sa plane. Bye guys! Sobrang dami kong dala. Kahit saan ako pupunta, sobrang dami kong dala. I have 2 bags with me, by the way. And then, and sobrang dami. Good luck to me. Every time I go out, I bring a lot of things. I don't, konti lang yung binili ko. Ay, konti lang yung dala ko. Pili kong may kulang ako, hindi nadala. Okay, ayun na. May seat po pala kami. Pero nag-charge pa kasi ako eh. My bag! Oh my gosh. TikTok tayo. Sige.
This one is Marisa Nelvin. Miss Machi 107.
Hindi, okay naman. Dito tayo. Amin wala.
Hi guys, so update, it's already 9:44 and we're waiting, boarding, but sadly, I think madadelay pa yung flight namin kasi I read, right, lightning alert. So for safety, hindi mo na lahat ng flights as of the moment, wala pa naman sinasabi, but possibly delayed. Ay, sadly, sobrang sakit na ng ulo ko. And sobrang haba ng pila sa bathroom. As in, sobrang haba ng pila sa bathroom. Like, mga 15 to 20 minutes kami puwila. But anyway, we're waiting for boarding and I'll see you guys later. I'll update you. Bye!
Requesting all the messenger regions on the region. Thank you.
May we request all guests to stow your luggage properly under the seat to perform the functions described in case of emergency.